In this video, we'll show you how to use the three-corner teaching method. This process helps to fix small teaching inaccuracies or compensate for tolerances. It's especially useful when the PAL needs to be very precise, like with microplates, where the wells are very close together. Usually, it's enough to just teach the module itself, like the tray holder or the Peltier stack. If done right, this is often enough to get good vial alignment. Still, it's a good idea to check the teaching after installation or changes. Sometimes the position can be slightly off, like we see here. Now let's improve it. Grab your terminal, enter the module, the slot, and the rack or plate you want to fine teach. Now click Options, then Teach PAL Module. The system will show you all three corners in a specific order on the terminal. Press Options again and then check. The PAL will move to the first corner. You can adjust the X, Y, or Z values to fine-tune the position until the teaching is accurate. Take your time and make sure the needle guide is centered properly in every position. Repeat this process for all three corners. You can also use three-corner teaching with well plates, which have very tight spacing. Go to the well plate menu, click Options, Teach PAL Module, and again Options, then click Check. The robot head will move to the first corner. Once in position, click Options, Retract Needle Guide. This pulls back the guide so you can clearly see if the needle tip is centered over the cavity. If not, correct the X and Y value. Z value is not possible with retracted needle guide. Repeat this check for the second and third corners as well. Congratulations! You completed the three-corner teaching.